Hello.
Hello.
What's your name? Where you from?
How are you?
Good. How are you? What's your name? Where you from?
Danny, I'm from Fiji.
From Fiji. Awesome.
Yeah.
I feel the Lord saying to me, you need some healing.
Yes.
What do you have?
I
don't know you. I don't know you, but the Lord said you have some sickness in your body, in your life. Tell me, what is that?
I've been coughing for the past 3 weeks.
So what?
And I've been coughing for the past 3 weeks.
Yeah.
And I've been having ribs pain.
Okay. God is going to completely heal you right now within seconds, like a lightning speed. You're coughing no more, and your rib pain, the pains on your ribs, will be completely 100% healed right now. Take it.
I receive
it. All right. In Jesus' mighty name, you are completely healed. You are free. Praise God. Praise God. Come on, praise God. You don't look happy. What happened? Praise God. Come on, praise God. You are healed. Hello?
I receive it.
Okay, check your thing now. Check your ribs now. Is there any more pain there?
Yeah, a bit.
Is it still pain there, or leave finish completely?
A bit.
Sorry? A little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Just stay still. I want God. I know sometimes some people need some recovery to completely heal. But I want you to be healed today, right now. So people on this podcast know that God is real. That God is living and active. God is the same yesterday, today, and forever. Okay? God is going to completely heal you right now. So people know that there's power in the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus, every pain in your body, leave in Jesus' name. Every sickness and diseases, every pain in your body, out in Jesus' name altogether. Amen. 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 Out. Out. Every sickness. Amen. Every sickness, every pain, out. 100%. Okay, start to move your body in the mighty name of Jesus. Start to move your body. Stand up, jump. Jesus. Do something you can't do. Do something you can't do. Okay.
Praise the Lord.
Any more pain?
No.
Of course it's no. Of course it's no. God, you see how amazing God is? How the power of God is no limit here. There's no limit in power of God here. God just completely heal her instantly. Okay, God bless you. You are free. God just heal you completely.
Thank you.
And God bless you and take care.